Hi guys, welcome to Kitchen Discovery. If today is your first time clicking on this channel, you are highly welcome. And please help us to subscribe and support us in any way you can. Thank you. Let's go. Join me as I share my secret Zobo recipe that made me to drop my BP drop of 5 years. In case you have any question to ask, please put all of them down into the comment section. I'll come there to answer all of your questions. Thank you. Hope you are familiar with all the ingredients here. I did not add ginger because my client doesn't like ginger. He has ulcer. Always have this drink in your fridge to substitute any other kind of soft drink that you might like to drink. It's very tasty and very sweet. If you want to make it very sweet, there's some other natural sweetener. Just ask in the comment section. I'll recommend for you. Thank you. Make sure you watch till the end to see step by step I used. I did not boil my fruit so that the vitamins inside will not just disappear. I need every vitamin from this fruit. Make sure you turn the notification button so that you know when I post other videos, because I will be bringing more recipes on this Zobo. There's plenty recipes, plenty ways of making it to make you enjoy it. Don't wait until you have BP before taking this wonderful drink. This drink is so good. It can make you sleep like a baby, even through your bowel. Before I started taking this drink, I can stay for 24 hours without closing my eyes. I mean, it's not as if I don't want. I will do all manner of things, yet I will not sleep. But since I found this Zobo, my dear, I'm really grateful to God for this drink. Please, I'm expecting your comments in the comment section to tell us how you feel about this Zobo, how it worked on you, whether it works on you or not. Please, it's really very important. I do cover this to rest for 24 hours so that all the debris will settle down. Then the real wine zobo will settle on top by the next morning. Now your zobo is ready. Drink and enjoy.